This is the Koopala LED wall light. So these are really cool. So baby, you know when you need a light somewhere and it's a spot in which you don't have maybe an outlet close, or maybe it's in a spot in which you don't want to have maybe a wire in it, you just need a light, but it's kind of complicated to get a light installed right there. Okay, this is the best solution. I think this is a great product, guys. This is an LED light. First off, it's an LED light that is rechargeable, so you don't need to have a wire to install it. It's rechargeable. And here in the back, look at this. You just tap here. You tap here in the back, and this is how you can change the color, dim it. Look at this. If I keep my finger on it, it changes the color. If I tap while I'm in one color and I tap again, then it dims and it gets like brighter, you see? And it has this magnetic base, so you just have to stick it. Oops. So you just have to remove this part right here. You need to remove this. And then you stick it somewhere. Let's say you can stick it in the wall. Let's say that you want to have a light in a certain spot where you cannot put a wire, maybe it's a higher spot. You just stick it right there, and it comes with this metallic ball that it's magnetic. And then you can change the position. Look how cool is this. So you can tap in here. And I think it's a great product, guys. I really love it. It has different colors that you can choose from. It's dimmable, just one button control right here. So guys, this is a Koopala magnetic light. How awesome. And of course it's LED. Rechargeable, comes with a cable and the light. Super cool.